Okay, I'm in my camper doing a review over this Garmin right here. Let me zoom out a little bit. It says a Garmin navigation system. And it's good for this job that I'm on the pipeline. The safety guy can upload all the points on the pipeline, the destinations, and he can just plug it in by 5 minutes, download all those different locations, and you could store them on your Garmin. And just click the one you want to go to and it takes you right to it. So let me show you what's in the box. Like I said, this is a Garmin navigation system. As you can see right here, it says Garmin Drive 51 EX, and you can purchase this any local place. Want to just order on Amazon, just look in the link below and you could purchase this straight off Amazon. It could get to you the next day. But I'm going to show you what's in this package. Of course, you got the display screen. I think this is a 5-inch display screen, but you can get them bigger and you just got to pay a little bit more. You have this little thing that goes on the back side of it. It just clicks right in. I'm going to show you. You can you take this part right here and just slide it in and it clicks. As you can see that click, you want to get it loose, just push down on this and pull up. You can see it hinges, go down, pop. You also have this mount right here. This mount, you can stick it on your dashboard anywhere. I'm going to show you on my truck where I put mine on. And it do fall off after a little while. And anyway, if you parking for a long period of time, you want to take this off and put it in your glove compartment. Take this off and put it in your glove compartment, or just take it with you, because somebody can break in and take this. This is not cheap. It looks like it's not worth a lot, but when you click on that Amazon link, you'll see how much it's worth. I think it's a little over $100. I'm not for sure, but I bought mine at Walmart for $119. But you probably can get it on Amazon in the link below for cheaper than that. And once you mount this on in your truck, this ball just clicks right in there, and you got to put a little force. As you can see, you're gonna hear it click. It clicks, and to take it off, just turn it and it'll pop right out. So it clicks right in there, and you can turn it, it pops right out. Your charger that plugs into your cigarette lighter, and this end plugs into your navigation system, and it plugs in right here in the back. As you can see right there, plugs right in. It comes out, and this thing's real simple. And it also have a card here, a USB that plugs into your computer, or you can plug it into a charging outlet and charge your phone. And you also have the other end that plugs into your display. And this right here, you can download some coordinates, but this is what comes in, and that's it. It don't even have instructions in here. It's really simple. So you just plug it in, and on the back side, I've already charged this in my phone. You got your power button, and you just push this button right here and it'll power it on. Let's look at it. So I'm gonna push the button, and there you go, power it on, and it just accept the agreements, and that's really it. And if you say, for instance, you want to go to Walmart or something, you can just go here and hit where you want to go and just type in here. Start typing Walmart. You see, I already been to Walmart, so you can just hit Walmart and it's gonna give you the closest destination. And you see right here, the closest Walmart to me is 15 miles away, and this one is in Marbles Fall. So you just click it. Once you click it, you can even save this. You can go right here and you can hit save. If you want to save that destination, you can just save it here and hit OK. And if you want to go to Walmart, just hit go, and it's gonna give you the
Please drive to highlighted route.
And It tells you when you come to railroad station, if you're coming to what your speed is, if you're going in a school zone, a railroad crossing. It lets you know everything. It's real simple. There ain't nothing you can do to mess this up. And if you want to go back, you can hit the back button once, or if you want to go straight, say for instance we going through all of this, your save. You remember we saved the Walmart. That's how you get to save. And we want to go directly back to home. Just hit this button and hold it for probably 3-4 seconds, and it'll take you straight back to your home screen. And it's a lot you can do with this. I'm gonna plug it in my truck and we're gonna go for a ride, and I'm gonna show you what it does. I love it already. I've had it for one day, and so I'm gonna just make a video and share with you guys how this thing works. It's really simple for people like me or anybody else. If you want something that's simple and it gives you directions, and we use them here on the pipeline. I got this, and they upload all the points from their computer to mine, so I can just hit what button I want and go to point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it takes you right to it. Okay, I'm gonna mount it and I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, I have it here, and like I said, this is the back side. It pushes right on that little knob right there. So I'm gonna just mount it here, and I'm gonna just put a little force on it. You're gonna hear it click. All right, it's on. So when I plug it into my cigarette lighter, so let's go ahead and activate this and go to Walmart. So I'm gonna just hit search. Since I don't know the address, I'm just start typing Walmart. It knows the last ones I've already typed in, like Walmart and HEB. I'm gonna hit Walmart. I'm gonna go to the one here in Marble Falls, 13 miles away, and hit go. And it's calculating, and it talks to you.
Please drive to highlighted road.
So I say, please drive to highlighted road.
Continue on Highway 1431.
So it gives you your miles per hour. It tells you when a stop sign is coming up, or a light, or pretty sure you can load stuff where it tells you where the police is at. It's real simple. And I'm gonna get my wife, my daughter, and son one of these. And if you want to purchase one, just look in the description below. You see we on the road. We here in Burnett, Texas. They call it. It's really hilly up here. You can't take your eyes off the road too long. It's very dangerous. So this navigation system is perfect for me because I'm very bad with directions. North, south, east, and west. You'll be surprised. I'll be all over the place. But this talks to you and tell you where you at, and you can save. You see right there, and something pops up. It's saying that a speed limit is coming up. And there goes a speed limit. I'm gonna go, it says 55 miles an hour. You can see that it popped up. So it just tells you a lot of good stuff. And I like it. I wish I would have had one of these a long time ago instead of trying to use this stuff on the truck or on my phone. The phone is dangerous trying to log that stuff in. You can just click it in right here. Like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, look in the description below. And this right here is a Garmin. I think it's the best brand. Most jobs you go on, if you can go to the safety department and they can upload all the destinations that you need to know around, like places you need to go for shopping or the pipeline, or maybe for cleaners. They can put it on they can download it onto this Garmin for you. So the only thing you got to do is go to your save and click where you want to go. And just sit back and enjoy the ride. All right, thanks, and subscribe to my channel.